Okay, love bugs, get a load of my tresses. It looks like I spent all day long between the sink with a towel, damp wet hair, damp wet hands, pruning, doing the perfect twist out or wash and go, and I even equipped this one with the beautiful finger curls at the end. I let it dry overnight and we are here, and I did not do any of that at all. Today I've teamed up with Sunber hair and they did the work for me. This here is their beautiful 7x5 kinky curly wig with finger coils. This one here came with this beautiful finger curl design, and you know you're not gonna disturb it. Like, if they did the work for us, we're not doing the work twice. So today you'll see me do a very quick, simple and easy beginner friendly install. Our focus was to melt the lace down. I included a little baby hair, but you guys know when you see it from the front straight on, you can't really tell, but baby hair is such my vibe and it goes with the look that I just did it. But of course you can skip that step. We also did a little bit of dynamic duo just to tame a little bit in the center and in the front, and the rest we left to the experts. Sunber hair did an amazing job on this one, and I am here to share her with you. If you want to see how he got the look and to catch the vibe with me, I keep doing like the little like twisty thing because I just feel like it's my hair. So if you want to hang out with me and see how he got the look, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, today I'm teaming up with Sunber hair. You guys know I'm a dance mom. It's 2:37, so we're not in that much of a rush. I like to leave by 3:15. I'm trying to leave a few minutes earlier as of late because you guys know traffic and just life happens, and it's better to be 5 minutes early than to be 10 minutes late, right? So today I've teamed up with Sunber hair and I'm just giving her a little bit of moisture. This one is going to be a beautiful curly wig. Now look at the bottom and the ends of the curls. I literally am curling. Look at the ends, like look at the tip. It's like Shirley Temple curls. Absolutely gorgeous. So I kind of wanted to drink up a little bit of like water, but I really don't even want to disturb the curls. Like, I literally want to be as gentle as possible and put her on and not even touch her because I don't even think I can duplicate it this fire. Look at how beautiful that is, and look at the hairline. This is a pre-everything lace wig. She comes with a pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. That beautiful scallop cut is going to set it off with a nice camo in the front. When you go lower, this here is the adjustable and removable elastic band. Take it off if you don't like it. Adjust it to your length or width should you want to keep it. At the nape we do have a larger comb and the adjustable straps. So I'm not going to waste any time. Let's adjust everything and get her on and we can get ready to go. Okay, this is what she looks like on, and have no fear, we are not doing nothing to these ends. I am not combing through this beautiful look. I will add a little mousse if I need to or scrunch anything in, but literally this is the definition of put her on and go. This is what she looks like from the back. Super fire, super gorgeous, and of course we love that length. Get a load of the curls and all of the things. So let's get right into it. This is going to be like one of the shortest videos because again, we're not doing nothing. We're going to melt the lace down. This is not glue. This is a hairspray that you would use to spray your curls to keep them in place, and just like it will keep your curls in place, it will also keep your hairline in place. From here we can go ahead and I'm going to do a quick little dynamic duo in the front. I really don't even want to because again, I'm so scared of messing this up.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want bigger rocks, I got plans.
Okay, so I went ahead and did a quick little baby hair in the front. It wouldn't be me without baby hair. I'm sorry, I gotta have it, but you can see here how snatched the hairline is just from melting the lace, and we didn't even tint it yet. Before we tint it, let's go ahead and do the dynamic duo.
I talk, heard it's real cheap, but it's really cold house. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over.
Now we have a super flat hairline and a super flat and defined parting. I also love the sheen that that gives. So from here we can go ahead and tint the lace. I use shade 15 in the cream in the parting, and then shade 16 in the powder will go in the hairline.
Trying to get this popping like, woo, big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear.
Look at how gorgeous that is. And lately, I don't know, I guess because I have these in the shade gold, I'll have them linked. But because they're gold, I've been loving those in my hair. And again, I don't even want to do anything to this one. So I'm going to take a little bit of the serum. This is a curl serum and it's from Aussie Moist. It's Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil. I don't know why I'm talking so soft right now, but I took 2 hefty pumps. And I'm kind of gonna rub it and scrunch it into the hair. It's dense enough to where oh, this smells so good. It's dense enough, the hair, that is to where it can handle a good amount of oil, but and not be weighed down. But I just kind of want to smooth it, because of course that urge to go in and like comb it out is there, but the point of the curls being pre-styled so well, it's like, don't do it. Look at it, look at it. And I put the oil all over because it's like you don't want to see in person the oil stop. And I kind of tease it because I do like a little bit of like messiness. You can add a little bit of water. You guys see me do that in the beginning, but hydration is never going to go or steer you wrong. Kind of plump up the curls a little bit, but again, we're not gonna disturb them. Just drink up that moisture. And again, she's so full that you can't even, it's not even gonna look wet, like super wet. And just kind of like scrunch that in, zhuzh it up, and you have a look, sister girl. It is good to go. You can give it a little shake out, flip it upside down like the curly girls do, and wow. Look at how simple and easy. If you are a beginner, if you are scared to do a wig, girl, don't be scared. Look at that definition. This is absolutely amazing and a game changer. This is one that you for sure need in your collection. Do you know how long it takes to get a look like this? To wet your hair down, to detangle it, to add all your products in there, finger coil each little piece at the end, and then wait for it to dry and set. And they did that whole process for us. I am blown away. This is what she looks like from the back. Super duper duper fire. And then this is what she looks like from the front. It's like I want to do more steps, but there's nothing left to do. We literally were able to put this one on and it's 11 and 33 minutes. 11 minutes 33 seconds. I don't know how to even talk right now. This is amazing. I could have even skipped that little part where we did the dynamic duo, and I didn't. So I guess I can show you guys the packaging, right? This here is the packaging from Sunber. I love Sunber yellow. Inside we did get the package of the wig. Came in, it was nicely concealed in this beautiful bag. 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig in the length 20 inches is what we have. Feel free to change up your length or whatever you need. Here I am meddling, right? This is the point where you start doing stuff to your hair and you start messing it up, right? Okay, I'm not gonna touch it anymore. This is the dust bag that the wig can go in, live in, and I love it. Again, it's that beautiful Sunber yellow. If you have a collection of wigs like on your shelf, this is amazing because you already know that Sunber yellow. So if you're looking for that Sunber curly wig with the coils at the end, you can see where it is a mile away. We also got a pack of HD wig cap. We also got the Bye Bye Knots wig tape. They also included a edge brush or baby hair brush, and it does come with that extra brush head. We got a pick, and I actually want to open this and keep this. My son needs a pick, I need a pick, but this is how you kind of like lift the hair. I'm not sure how to do it, but I'm going to play with it in a minute and see if I can get it. It's like teasy to make it bigger. And then of course we got a melt belt. This is key. I'm about to take the girls to the dance studio, so this is perfect to be able to lay my edges and keep them together while I'm out in this LA heat. So I want to use the pick to like tease the hair and get it bigger, but I need to like watch some tutorials, because I don't even know how to hold it or what to do in the curly community. I know how to use a pick in other ways, but like, how do I get it super big? Am I doing it? Okay, I think I'm doing. Look at that. Oh my god. I don't know what to do after, so I'm gonna leave it here, love bugs. What do you guys think? This is so beautiful. Yes, this is the fun wig in the collection. I love it so much. It'd be like I want to smooth it over, but I want to keep it big. I don't even know what I want to do. But this is the final look. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to continue to not play with it today. I'm going to enjoy the curls straight out of the box, exactly how they came, because that's what you're supposed to do. They did the work for us and gave us this beautiful finger coil definition at the ends, and I refuse to disturb it. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.